You straight. You ready to go. What's good, Playboy? Today I'm gonna show y'all my skincare routine featuring Roche-Posay. These products right here, if you want some heat, you want some great skincare, you definitely wanna get Roche-Posay. First thing you wanna do is start by wetting your skin. You know, you don't wanna put product on dry skin. So the first product we're gonna use is the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. There it goes. This cleanser is the best cleanser that I ever used. You want to apply it directly to your skin. Whenever you apply it to your hands, you're wasting some of the product. So apply it to your skin, and then you want to massage it. Y'all peep, I'm using my hands. You don't want to use a rag. I know that we grew up using rags and all types of stuff on our face, but that stuff's not good for your face, man. Unless you got like a clear sonic or some sort of device that is specifically designed for your face, then that's cool to use. But other than that, you want to use your hands whenever you're washing your face. Now we're gonna rinse the product off, and then you want to take a towel and you want to pat your face dry. Again, you want to pat your face dry.
Pat your face dry.
Do not wipe your face. That's harsh on your skin, and you just don't do that, bro. So once your face is dry, now we're gonna use the Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Let's focus, there we go. It has SPF 30 in it. Every day you should be wearing sunscreen. Before you leave the house, put sunscreen on, especially my brothers. We be thinking that we not supposed to wear sunscreen, we black, wear sunscreen, bro. You should wear sunscreen every single day. So this already has sunscreen in it. What I love about this moisturizer is the fact that it's lightweight, and there's also no cast when you put it on your face. Sometimes with certain sunscreens, when you put them on your face, it leaves like a purple cast, sometimes it leaves a white cast, and you just end up walking around looking crazy, bro. But this one right here, it don't do that. Product, and we're going to apply it to our face. We're not gonna put it in our hands and waste the product, but these products ain't cheap. So you just put it and rub it in your face just like this. You just gonna rub it in. It's mad lightweight, and it moisturizes really well. You don't be crusty after you put this on. You don't have to put anything else on top of it. You simply just put this moisturizer on, rub it in, massage it into your skin, and then once it's all good, once it's all rubbed in, you straight. You ready to go. Make sure y'all cop these two products and let me know what you think about them. Let me know if they got you right.